As the tragic stampede at the Tirupati Balaji temple claims 6 lives and leaves nearly 40 injured, the management of the temple and the Chandrababu Naidu led TDP government are facing intense criticism. In the wake of the incident, one of the two FIRs filed by Tirupati police appears to place the blame squarely on the crowded situation. Complaint lodged under Section 194 of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhit refers to an incident of affray where a disturbance in public peace was allegedly caused by a violent or chaotic clash among people. This section applies when multiple individuals fight or cause disturbances in a public place, leading to unrest. Deputy Superintendent of Police Venkat Narayan declined to elaborate further on why this specific section was invoked, merely stating that the investigation is ongoing. The incident occurred when devotees gathered at Sri Ramanaidu school to collect tokens for the Vaikuntha Ekadashi Darshan at the Sri Venkateshwara temple. According to a complaint filed by Narayavanam Mandal Tehsildar M. Jayaramulu at the Tirupati East Police Station, a sudden surge of devotees caused panic, leading to the tragic stampede. Devotees waiting at Sri Padmavati Park were reportedly tripped and fell during the rush. The victims were rushed to the hospital where they were later pronounced dead. Two separate FIRs were filed in connection with the deaths of the 6 devotees. The first FIR concerns the deaths of Kandipili Santi, Gudula Rajani, P. Babu Naidu, Suri Shetty Lavanya Swati, and Nirmala, while the second relates to the death of a 50-year-old R. Maliga, a resident of Salem, Tamil Nadu. As the dust settles, the TTD, the temple management body, and the Naidu government are under intense scrutiny for alleged mismanagement during the festive period. The controversy centers on the distribution of darshan tickets for Vaikuntha Ekadashi, which starts on January 10th. YSRCP leader and former Andhra Pradesh Minister Srinivas Rao described the incident as a black day in the history of the TTD, which is usually known for its efficient crowd management. The families of the victims are devastated. Jaya, whose husband B. Babu Naidu died in the stampede, recalled how she felt during the rush but narrowly escaped being trampled. She told the Indian Express, and I quote, "No one should ever face this kind of situation. Be it police, TTD, or any officials, someone should take responsibility and ensure the safety of devotees who come here hoping to have darshan peacefully and safely. My husband used to come here every year with immense faith. This should not happen again." End quote.